Samsung is taking smartphone photography to a whole new level with their latest flagship. Now, you might be wondering, what makes this new update so special? What's up, fans? In the video today, we're going to explore the incredible features and cutting-edge technology that Samsung is rumored to be incorporating into the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera. We have some mind-blowing news for all you out there. Get ready to discover the next level of smartphone photography. But before that, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to know when I upload another video. According to a well-known leaker, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra might feature an optimized version of the already impressive 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor found in its predecessor. This refined version, known as the ISOCELL HP2SX, is set to deliver even better performance, pushing the boundaries of mobile photography. This powerful sensor is expected to have a 1/1.3-inch size and individual pixel size of 0.6 enabling you to capture stunningly detailed images with incredible clarity and sharpness. And the camera is poised to deliver outstanding results. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to be a game changer. With its 200-megapixel camera, you'll have the power to capture every minute detail in your shots. Say goodbye to blurry or grainy images. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is here to revolutionize how you capture and share your favorite moments. Not only will you be able to capture stunning photos, but the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera is also expected to offer a wide range of features and shooting modes. From pro-grade manual controls to AI-powered scene recognition, this smartphone will cater to both photography enthusiasts and casual users alike. As the S24 Ultra is making its by 2024, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera is not just about photography, it's also a powerhouse when it comes to videography. Imagine shooting cinematic masterpieces right from your phone. As rumor says, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will support 8K video. With features like optical image stabilization and advanced video editing tools, you'll have the ability to unleash your creativity and produce stunning videos like never before. Whether you're a vlogger, aspiring filmmaker, or simply love capturing memorable moments, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's video capabilities are sure to impress. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's revolutionary 200-megapixel camera, with its upgraded sensor, unmatched photography capabilities, and extraordinary video features, this smartphone is poised to take your content creation to new heights. Thanks. See you next.